The composition of effective prose is seldom an act of immediate invention. Rather, it is the disciplined outcome of preparation. Among the most essential pre-writing strategies are brainstorming, clustering, and outlining, each of which serves a distinct cognitive purpose while contributing to a more efficient drafting process. Brainstorming initiates the process by generating a broad reservoir of ideas without premature judgment. In this stage, quantity is more valuable than elegance. A writer may list words, phrases, questions, memories, or arguments related to the topic. The objective is to suspend criticism long enough for original connections to emerge. This expansive beginning reduces the pressure of perfection and often reveals angles that would otherwise remain unnoticed. Clustering, by contrast, gives structure to this initial abundance. Starting from a central idea, the writer arranges associated concepts into visible groupings, often by linking related terms in a branching pattern. This method exposes relationships among ideas and helps identify patterns, hierarchies, and thematic concentrations. Where brainstorming encourages openness, clustering cultivates organization. It transforms a scattered collection of possibilities into an intelligible map. Outlining then converts this map into a plan of action. By arranging main points and supporting details in a logical sequence, the writer creates a blueprint for the eventual draft. Outlining clarifies the order of arguments, prevents repetition, and ensures that each section serves a defined purpose. It also allows the writer to see, in advance, where transitions are needed and where evidence may be insufficient. Used together, these three strategies create a productive progression. Brainstorming produces material, clustering reveals relationships, and outlining establishes direction. The result is not merely faster writing, but more focused writing. Instead of confronting a blank page with uncertainty, the writer begins with organized thought and a coherent path forward. In this sense, pre-writing is not an optional preliminary exercise, but a foundational intellectual practice that reduces stress and improves the quality of composition.